Hi, I'm Dr. Shilpi Sharma. I'm consultant and head neck cancer surgeon at Narayana Super Speciality Hospital, Gurugram. Treatment of head neck cancer is challenging. Why? Because we are dealing with a site which has important functions. Functions such as talking, breathing and facial appearance, of course, it is very important. So our aim is to cure the cancer, but as well as to minimize the deformity associated with it and with the treatment, and to maximize the function. Now, basically there are four main type of treatments are available for head neck cancer. One is surgery, in which we do operation and we remove the growth, and if it is very advanced then we may require plastic surgery. Now the second type of treatment modality is radiotherapy, where we give rays which kill the cancer cells. Now the third type of treatment modality is chemotherapy, in which we give medicines or drugs either through the mouth or through the bloodstream, and they are basically directed towards the cancer cells. Fourth type of treatment modality is immunotherapy, which is a special type of chemotherapy itself, but here we give the drugs which basically target the immune system. Now, whether to use surgery or radiotherapy or chemotherapy, that basically depends on a lot of factors. In general, for head neck cancers, the main curative modality of treatments are surgery and radiotherapy. Whether to choose surgery or whether to choose radiotherapy, it again depends on multiple factors. In general, if you have cancer of the tongue, cancer of the lip, cancer of the thyroid, parotid, they are usually treated with surgery. But of course, the treatment decision is basically decided by the multidisciplinary tumor board, and we basically choose the best treatment for that particular patient. Now, in general, when you have early stage cancers like stage 1, stage 2 cancer, we have to use only single modality treatment, that is either surgery or radiotherapy. But when the cancer is advanced, or if it is stage 3 or stage 4, then we have to use combined modality treatment. It may be surgery followed by radiotherapy. Sometimes we may have to involve even chemotherapy. So we may have to do surgery, then chemotherapy and radiotherapy. Or sometimes the surgery is not the right option and we just give radiotherapy along with chemotherapy. So this is always a multifactorial decision. Now third type of treatment, which is chemotherapy. In head neck cancer, it is not used alone. It usually is used along with radiotherapy. Chemotherapy alone is used in cases where we cannot remove the disease either by surgery or by radiation therapy. In select cases, very rarely, we may have to use chemotherapy alone just in the beginning of treatment, when the tumor is not fit for surgery. We may give chemotherapy to shrink the tumor, and then we finally have to do surgery, but that happens in very rare cases. The another type of treatment modality, which is immunotherapy. Now immunotherapy is a promising modality. It is the newer treatment which is now available, but it is again it is available only in advanced cases. It is shown to be useful in cases where we cannot eradicate the tumor by surgery or radiotherapy, but it definitely has a future.